watch me. Dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a plan with me for the week of February 10th through the 16th in my Classic Happy Planner. This is the week of Valentine's Day, so I wanted to do a really pretty spread and something a little different than I haven't normally done in my planner. So I'm going to start out by taking my tape white out, and I'm going to get rid of the dark green lines. If you want a good in-depth look of my new 2020 Classic Planner, I'll link my planner setup and overview in the links up above, as well as in the description box below. So I'm just going to take a little bit of my washi tape, and this is such old washi tape. I honestly bought this when I first started planning in 2015, I believe so. So it's lasted me a long time, but that was when I was super obsessed with washi. Now I'm a little bit less obsessed, so I definitely have a ton of washi left. And what I wanted to do with this spread is, instead of using the middle section for my checklists, I'm going to add my checklist to the bottom and the top, and then I'm going to fill the inside with really pretty Valentine's Day decor. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Janetta LaRose, and I film all different types of videos, from planning to lifestyle videos to beauty, so there's definitely a video for you on my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying it so far. I really love these little Valentine's Day stickers. I believe this is from one of the Happy Memory Keepings books. They have a lot of good seasonal decoration and stickers that you can add to your plans. They are modified for the big or the memory keeping planner, but I love to use them just as well. If you're watching this video when it first goes up, it is the week before Valentine's Day. Let me know in the comments down below what your Valentine's Day plans are. Not sure what mine will be this year, but I'm really excited. I love Valentine's Day. And then on the top, I'm going to add these colorful boxes from the Colorful Boxes kit. And I'm just going to use various shades of pinks and reds and peaches. I'm gonna hop over to my sideboard, and what I did was take a little tiny grid sticker from, I forgot what booklet it was, but I'll leave it linked down below, of course. And then I placed a priority sticker on the side. I've been adding any meals or big things that I want to accomplish for the week, just so I can keep my eye on it, and that way it doesn't get all covered up with my weekly to-dos. And I'm almost done with this spread, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave your next planner request in the comments down below. And also let me know what you're doing for Valentine's Day. I'm always interested. And thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in a couple days in a brand new video. Bye.